Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. So, this wasn't supposed to go public yet, but here we are. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic just got leaked, and in a pretty unexpected way. Believe it or not, someone managed to get their hands on an actual prototype and listed it on eBay. Yep, someone's already trying to sell it online before Samsung even announced it. And thanks to that, we've got an early look at what Samsung's cooking up, from the design to the main features, all ahead of launch. Now, let's talk about the changes we noticed. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is going for a bold new look. The biggest visual shift? Samsung is going with a new, squircle, design. That's a mix between a square and a circle. It's a huge change from the traditional round look we've always seen in the Classic series. If it feels familiar, that's because it closely resembles the Galaxy Watch Ultra that Samsung recently released. It looks like Samsung is now aiming to unify its smartwatch lineup with a more consistent design language across all models. The leaked prototype on eBay comes in a silver metal frame, with a black stitched leather strap, and it's even in retail-ready packaging. It includes the USB-C magnetic charger, which means this isn't just a dummy unit for show, it's a working model. The model number listed is SML505U, suggesting that it's the LTE version made specifically for the US market. The size shown is 46mm, sticking to that bigger, bolder format that Classic users usually prefer. And don't worry, Samsung isn't ditching the fan-favorite rotating bezel. It's still there, which will be a big relief for a lot of longtime users. Though, it does look a bit odd seeing the rotating bezel on a squircle-shaped watch in the leaked images. It might take some time for fans to get used to that combo. There's also a noticeable new addition on the side, an extra crown-style button. Now, this isn't the same as Apple's rotating crown, but it could offer a more tactile way to navigate through the interface. The watch now has 3 buttons on the right side, and a large speaker grille on the left, again, very similar to the Watch Ultra's design. As for specs, the eBay listing mentions a major upgrade in storage. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will come with 64GB of internal storage, double what the Galaxy Watch 7 and even the Watch Ultra offered. That's great news if you like downloading apps or storing music directly on your watch. Under the hood, it'll likely still use the Exynos W1000 chip, the same one from the previous generation. So we're not expecting a massive boost in performance. However, there's a chance Samsung may slightly bump up the battery capacity to power new features that come with One UI 8 watch, which will be based on Wear OS 6. In terms of health and fitness tracking, all the usual sensors should be included: heart rate monitoring, ECG, SpO2, skin temperature sensing, and more. Other confirmed specs include a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED circular display with always-on display support, sapphire crystal glass for extra durability, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, dual-frequency GPS, NFC, and 10W wireless charging. One small but important thing to note: it looks like this prototype doesn't use the standard strap connectors. That could mean your old Galaxy Watch straps or third-party bands might not work with this model. It's a small change, but it could be a bit frustrating for those who've invested in custom bands over the years. So, what does all this tell us? Samsung seems to be heading toward a more unified and recognizable design for its smartwatch range, kind of like how Apple's square shape and Google's Pebble-style Pixel watch have their own signature looks. The new squircle shape is probably Samsung's attempt at creating that same instantly recognizable identity. Some people might love the new look, while others, especially fans of the old circular style, might see it as a downgrade. But hey, with a bigger screen and potentially better comfort, this change might grow on users over time. With Galaxy Unpacked right around the corner, likely happening next month, we won't have to wait long to see the full picture. Samsung is expected to reveal not only these new smartwatches but also 2 new foldable phones. So, whether you're a fan of the new direction or still on the fence, one thing's for sure: this leak has given us a clear first look at what's coming. What do you think of the squircle design? Are you into it, or are you sticking with the classic round shape? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.